Hi friends, this video shows how to take TPT 20 injection using pen. First we need to wash hands, then check expiry date. See, this is a pen. We need to keep refrigerated this pen 2 to 8 degrees Celsius at all times. We also get a cartridge with this pen. Here you can see how many doses left in pen. And here you can see dose knob. We can adjust here. We also get disposable pen needles with this product. Let me prepare the pen. First remove the pen cap, then wipe the rubber tip of the cartridge. Let me remove the pen cap, then peel the paper seal from the new pen needle. Then twist the needle onto the pen tip firmly like this. Then remove the outer needle cap. Then we need to remove the inner small cap. Then we need to turn this dose knob. Then we need to hold the pen with the needle facing up, then tap lightly to move bubbles upward. Now you can see drop of liquid appears at the needle tip. Here I am going to take this injection on abdomen front. First clean the skin with an alcohol. Then insert the needle straight in 90 degree. Then press the injection button. Then hold for 5 seconds. Then withdraw the needle gently. Then press gently with cotton. Then put the outer cap back on the needle and unscrew it. Then replace the pen cap and return to the refrigerator. This way we can take TPT 20 injection using pen. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.